made for the vitamin bowl for the elephant. After, we could take the fruit, feed for the elephant too, okay? And after we just take a walk for a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes in the farm. We just to take a look for, the elephant, how to use their how they use the time in the jungle, like, how in naturally, how they use, and I'm going to explain more about detailing about the elephant, okay? Okay, now I'm going to start for the,
First now.
start for the elephant. Start from the elephant is, now in our wall we have two kind of elephant right here. Please take a look. We just left two kind of the elephant. One is the African elephant. One is the Asian elephant. Okay. The African elephant is like their head is a one ball and the ear is very big. Okay. And Asian is a flat and have the bone is a two ball and their ear is very very small, just like you saw over there. Okay. And there is the shape of them is different like that. And also their weight is different. The African elephant, maximum their weight is 10 tons. And our Asian, the maximum is 5 tons, just like her. She's almost near to 5 tons now. And also the third, the different of them, the social of there is in Africa, the male is the boss, control all the family. But in Asia, it's the female. In Africa, it's the female is the boss, control their social. Okay. In Asia, it's the male one. Okay. And also in Africa, male and the female also have the tusk. Both have a tusk. But in Asia, just the male is the have the tusk. They do have just small inside the mouth after you will see over there. Okay. They do have, but they're small. It's short. Just the male one is a long one. Okay. So now I'm going to talking about some history of the elephant. Is in 15 maybe long ago, maybe before 100 200 years ago, before 100 years ago, in our Asia right here we have 1 million of the elephants everywhere, and the people use for the farm and use for transportation. We still use them before. In that time when East South Asia here for depending for each other, they use the elephant fighting each other, each country. Okay, we use the elephant riding and fighting each other. Okay, and we have been lost a lot of the elephant. Okay, after the first war and the second war finished, they don't have a job. Before we use for them in army. After the war finished, they don't have a war, and the government is take it back. How to say give back to the private farm, the elephant. Use them for farm and for transportation again. Okay. After then, in 1890 and 1980, in that time, one Western designer guy, he's come to South Asia right here. He's a leather designer. The country he saw the elephant leather is a very good leather. It's good to make the subject for cat, t-shirt, baggage, pen, shoes, everything. Oh, you can make good money. Teach them, hey, go to kill, give me the leather, I give you the money. In that time, we have been hunting, kill a lot of the elephant just for money. So at last, in 1990, 93, 95, in that time, we saw the elephant almost going to disappear. Just think about it. Before this, we have 1 million of elephants. Now, the number of elephants, South Asia elephant, is less than 5,000.
Jeez.
So in that time, we have to protect them immediately, unless when they disappear, coming 15 to 20 years, coming in that time, when all the elephant disappear, it's very dangerous for the system of the jungle, and it's dangerous for them, for us. Before 25, 20, 30 years ago in Thailand right here, in South Asia right here, the maximum temperature is just 36, 37 like that. Now, up to 45 to 49. Because the elephant always disappear in the jungle. They are just like, we can tell it's the angel of the jungle. They take care of the jungle very well. Because they are vegetarian, they just eat for the leaf. You're not going to destroy the jungle. They know the system. Okay. In Africa, just look at for the Africa, why the land is dry, like very, very dry, is it? It's very difficult to find the water. Before, we have been hunting a lot of elephant. Before, the Africa also have a lot of elephant too. But now, the number of Africa elephant is less than 500 too. So we have to protect them immediately. If this disappear, is the global warming, it's one of them. One of the reasons is because of their disappear. So now, all the elephant here in Thailand, we have been protected very well. And in here, all the elephant is not owned by us. All the elephant is owned by the government. We in the north part of the mainland over there, we have a very, very big in the jungle national park right there. All the homeless or all the wild elephant, we all put in there. Take care for them. Take care very well. In here, the shelter here is just for education to us. We have to have to send the message to the people. The elephant have to protect immediately, unless coming. Maybe this year, we suppose the temperature at least 50 to 55. Let's think about it. So in here, all the elephant we have protected in the jungle right here. Here is just like Africa, elephant, security area right here, sanctuary area right here. We take care very well. Here we have at least 30 to 40 farm right here. But all the farm elephant is not owned by us. It's owned by the government. We have to share to here and give you the message and have to protect how to protect to them and why they're very important for us. Okay. And after I told you how they live in the jungle, how they use the day all the day, how they use alive in the jungle and in the here. Here we just have a female elephant. We don't put the male elephant right here because the male one is always aggressive. They don't like the people, the animal, the people. They don't like the people, close to their family. So it's dangerous to us. So the male camp we also have in the jungle over there. We have the male camp over there. We put in the jungle, and also have a especially the very, very special training guide look and take care of them. And here all the elephant we have one elephant for one training guide. Have to lead them because here no have the male elephant, so they don't know the direction. They don't have a leader. Their leader just a training guide. If the male one put right here, the male one will be order them, hey, come on, let's go. If they lead all the elephant into the jungle, it's dangerous for them. They can find for the food very well. They can eat very well. Because all the elephant all the time, they just worry about the security of them, the family. They always, scared about, safety. So they have to move every time they have to move. In that time, because of the elephant before we use them. And also, and using on the battle, and also we use them, then we kill them. Because of the elephant, when they have pressure all the time, so they can panic very well. One elephant in the jungle, one life, they just have one baby. Maybe some they don't have. They have to panic one baby for at least 2 years. Have to carry the baby at least for 2 years. Just think about it. So when they get the panic time is 19 years old to 24 years old. In that time, it's very good for for mix of them to panic. It's very well. Now all the elephant is in protecting of us, take care by us. All the elephant they don't have a pressure and they panic very well. Some elephant is we have 2 baby. Because we take care very well. And last year, we have a lot of the baby is come out, have born a lot of the elephant. That's a good news for us, but the number is not enough. So we have to continue to protect them and feed for them good food, and we don't use them, and we are not going to push them. When you come to here, we can take a look at like a naturally, and I'll be going to tell you the detail about the how they spend a day and a day in the jungle right here. They just use one day. They just sleep for 5 hours a day. The another hour, 18 to 19 hours, they have to eat, because they have to eat one day at least 500 kilograms.
Gee.
With a huge body, they need a lot of energy because they are vegetarian. At least have to drink the water at least 100 liters for a day. So when they wake up, they just think about the food. They just think about the food. Did I have a food? They have safety to eat the food. So every day when they wake up, they just think about the food. So here, they don't have a job to do. Their job just is eat and poo right here.
Do the males do the same?
Yeah. Yeah. Same. So we don't have we are not going to use them and push them or riding or something. So no, nothing here. We just give you the message of the elephant, how they use in the jungle, how they use. They are just spend the day. One day is how they spend. Right? So in that time, we have to give them, a lot of food in the day. In that time, we have to take care for them, take care of their stomach, because their stomach is not like a buffalo or cow. Just like a buffalo and a cow, they have a 4 ventricle, like a four stomach, is it?
Yeah.
But the elephant is just like a holy like that. When they eat food, they have to put it out. They have to feed again. Feed the food, they have to put it out every 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes or 25 minutes, they have to put it out once. So all day, they just eat and poo, they just eat and poo. So our elephant right here, we have to take care very well. They are very fat. Sometimes, the doctor said, don't feed a lot of the sugar cane or the banana from too much, because they're too fat. It's not good for them. So before we have, the big basket, feed for them. But now we have to let, small down, because we take care so well. They are too big and too fat. That's upon the doctor how to warning us how to take care. We just take care for them like that. Okay. So in that time we have to take care of their stomach, because they are all sometimes they eat the rough, the grass, the tree, the leaf, and also sugar cane. Also sugar cane is very hot. So we have to take care of their stomach. In that time we have to make a vitamin ball. Okay. For them it's for digestive. It's as well. Okay. Well, for they eat in that time they can pull out very well, and have to take care their all the day, let them, healthy, for healthy. So here we are good to make for the vitamin ball right here, okay? Okay, I'm showing you here. Please take a look right here, please. Can you stand up, please? It's better to yours. Come on, please stand up, please. Okay, here we have, there is a tamarind, just like a little bit, okay? Put it in your subject, come on, please. Just a little ball like that, okay? Come on. And the sugar cane is for one sugar cane. One? Yes, one. And there's a sticky rice for 1 spoon. Is for 1 spoon.
Yes, this is sugar rice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is a sauce. Sauce for 1 spoon, okay? There is sauce.
Thank you.
Yeah, 1 spoon.
What's that? Focus? What is this?
Salt. Salt. Yeah, salt.
Mela.
Yeah, salt. For 1
Salt.
spoon. Yeah. So 1 spoon. Yeah.
Okay.
One for each.
Thank you. Mela.
Good for you.
Thank you, man.
Okay, banana fish for 1, please.
One for mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to take.
Small banana.
Wait for me. I'm going to take for the banana. Okay.
יש לי חתול פה, סליחה, נראה לי.
I think they have their skin as well.
Do they?
Yeah, I think you put the skin in as well.
איזה חמור, איזה קטן.
A little cookery lesson.
This one, this one,
אה,
this one.
also?
I think so. I think so.
Ask the master. Ask the master.
בוא'נה, אני רוצה שמקצוענים פה. We put this also?
Also, all the peel, you don't have to put off the peel, okay? And now please mix it, jam it, okay?
Break that lump up.
Cameron's got pips in it as well, hasn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. You want me to take a picture? I will take a picture for you.
It's okay, it's on video. Yeah.
Okay.
Used to that with the herbs. This is how I make my tea bags.
Wrap it up in a banana leaf.
What, you wrap this up in banana leaf?
Yeah. Put it in their mouth.
This would actually be really good for us as well.
Smells good.
Yeah. Tamarind is really good for your third eye. Is that okay if I taste a little bit?
Sorry.
Can I taste a little bit?
Yes.
Please. Thank you.
So it's a natural, you know, you can test it.
Mm.
It's good. It's sweet.
So it's got salt in there as well.
Salt.
Thank you. Yeah. That's good for you. We probably started eating like this. This is probably better than our food we eat. Yeah.
Yeah. But the tamarind is good for digesting.
Good for your
In
third eye
Thailand,
as well.
yeah. In Thailand right here, all the chili sauce, 70% we all mix the tamarind.
Good.
I bought some of that tamarind a few days ago from the market.
You finish? Come on. Yes, put in the leaf and pick it up. Pick like a square, okay? Yes, yeah. This spoon. Take this one. This spoon. Yeah.
Everything?
Yes, yes, yes.
נראה לי יצא לי טוב, לא?
Yeah.
It's
It's
okay.
okay. Yeah. After you have to digest, you know. Yeah. Come on.
What salt is it? Sea salt.
Yeah, yeah.
Could the elephants eat better than us?
And pack like a square, okay?
Like this?
Yep.
מה הוא אמר?
קובייה.
זה חמוד הוא מצלם.
sleep.
Voilà, mais regarde comment tu regardes. Bon, ça.
And take your vitamin ball. Follow to me, please. We're going to take a fruit, okay?
מה אתה אומר, נגיד טלפון? כן? או שחוזרים לפה? טוב, אני נראה לי משאירה את זה פה.
Come on. Yeah, put your vitamin ball in here. Hey, your cell phone, put in the pocket.
In there? Ah.
Yeah, in the pocket. Yes.
Could eat a lot of bananas as well, couldn't
בואנה,
they?
כל זה יצא
Yes,
לו.
sir.
To you it's a lot. To elephant it's not a lot.
Yes.
What is
Thank
this?
you.
This is sugar cane. You can try it. Sugar cane.
Ah.
Yeah, sugar cane. It's a sweet.
כן, סוכר כן.
Can you line on here, please? I take a picture for yours. Come on. And after we use the WhatsApp, you share to yours all the picture and video, okay?
Oh, thank
Do
you.
you want to use my camera?
תקשיב, אנחנו קבוצה של בלוגרים, שתדע. You are blogger?
No.
No.
I've got a YouTube channel.
In front of it a little bit, please. Yeah, come on. Let me take a picture for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, come on. Please.
הדבר הזה זה אחד המגניבים.
Modi, Manu. All right, look. I can. They put on the ground the basket and feed for them. By slow, okay? One by one, okay? And you can feed like that, okay? It's okay. Monty. Monty. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, come on. Feed for them. Yeah. She need the fruit first.
I want the fruit first.
Yeah, she need the fruit first. Come on, you can feed for them, okay? Feed for her. The vitamin ball you have to put on here. Vitamin ball you can put on here. After, it's okay. Don't afraid. Okay? Wow, you're very well. Monty, nhà máu nè, look.
Is she going to eat all of this?
Yes. Yeah, sure. About 500 kilograms for one day, you know. That is just for one person. Just for
Half an hour they gave us some as well.
Yeah. Woo. Got a strong mouth. Mouth feels strong.
Yes. You can put on the trunk too. Yeah. You can. Yeah.
Ah. Oui. איזה מתוקה.
מה את רוצה את זה?
This also.
Now she need the fruit first.
It's also, right?
Yeah, after she was going to take it off. Yes, everything you can.
Why?
You see that? You put it in the trunk. Moji. Her name is Moji.
Moji. Could get you some more bananas.
She likes people.
Yeah, she want more. Yeah. She can put in the trunk.
Take a basket.
Hey, don't close the basket, okay? She go to wrap everything, you know.
Yeah, she gets more in there.
The wait for her. She's chewing a monkey. Okay.
איזה חיה יש פה?
Okay, you can touch it. It's okay. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Close it. Yeah. Very second. Because we do have a four elephant, but today the doctor, have to take to them to check for the body. Yeah, before we have, four to five.
only one here
Yes, yes. Today she's just only one here. We have some this morning to take to check in for the body, to hospital.
היא אוכלת לאט.
Yeah, she's screaming. Now he's screaming. Very looking. Monty.
Mochi.
See? Can I look?
It's got too many now, look. It's got her hands full.
Yeah, she like that. Where is the sorry?
Where is his water?
Water right there. We have a pump of water right there. Yeah.
Yeah, you like that, yeah? You don't get scratched there much.
Chocolate. Yeah.
That's a big bunch. Look, is that 5, 6 bananas in there? Where's my feet? Oh, loves that behind its ear. Imagine that he can't get there, can he, down his ear?
Don't like this.
After. Now they have fruit first.
You want banana?
Yes, you want banana and sugar cane first.
Ah, is fell this behalf? לא, צלמי אותי מהצד הזה. ביג נוס. בואי מהצד הזה.
Oh, you're eating too much.
שלא, שלא. היא לא רוצה מטר. למה רציתי מהצד הזה? כי זה הצד שלה?
אני לא אכפת לי מהצד.
איזה למה צד אחרי?
מה היא מגיעה?
Anything, when you close to her, just speak any language to her.
כן, אני מבינה
Let
שהיא...
them, recognize your voice.
Yeah.
Elephant is that they recognize it like, by your sounds. Okay.
Oh, beautiful.
She make a memory is by our sounds, the frequency.
Yes, his memory is very
Yeah.
good.
In Europe, they say the elephant is a good memory.
Good memory.
Yeah, they very good memory. Okay, just like our cell phone, when you update the old message, always deleted, but they will not. Due to their death, they will remember you all their life. She's 40 plus. The elephant can, can long life, 70 to 80 years. Yes, like our human. No, she's homeless. She's homeless.
But she has
No,
a child.
no, she didn't have.
And if you want to get pregnant,
I already tried for her, and she can. Yeah.
but you have to take it to the mail or you
Yeah, yes. And after we take it back.
yeah. You don't bring the mail.
No.
Too dangerous.
Yes.
Last banana I gave.
It's okay. The banana, the sugar can be like it. They all be like it.
Nice to meet you.
Muchi.
Got it? Save that for later. Watch me hand. You dropped it. Oh.
The sugar cane too. You like the sugar cane too, yeah? It's a sugar cane.
Banana.
Oh.
You want banana. I know it.
It's sticky. Then you get that shake, yeah?
Yes, good.
Can take it.
Yes.
You can eat this.
Yes, sure. You know all the banana is from here. Do you see that? The banana farm over here. There's a lot of banana. So all banana is for them. Without this. Yeah. Only this. Yes. Look at the field. What is sugar cane? It's a good calorie for them. Good energy. I only drink this. Nothing.
Hola, Mochi. ¿Cómo estás?
This one. In the jungle. When you eat the sugar cane, when you left that, this one is black. That's on the teeth. Now she got to eat for the sugar cane. You see that?
Yes. Okay.
¿Quién con? ¿Quién con? Okay.
Mochi, mochi.
So you say it's really fat right now?
Yes, too fat. Yeah.
Too much food.
Do you see that here? That is not a tear. That is a oil.
This
Come
what?
on, touch it. Look at it. That is oil. Too fat.
Oh.
It's not tears.
Oh, it's
Yeah, it's a white. Yeah,
sticky.
sticky. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not tears. Tears is the water, is it?
Yeah.
But there is a oil. You know, sit back with the right so you don't have to go down, banana or the sugar cane, have to.
Well, she's on a diet now. So this is
Yeah, she has
less.
to diet, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is not much.
Yeah, not too much, not too much.
Es muy guatona. Vamos a tener que
Yeah,
dar
she need
menos.
more. Come on, sugar cane. She need the sugar cane, come on.
Ah, this is banana.
It's okay, so anything you can do. Your weight, she almost 5 tons. 5,000 kilo. Of course. Yes, of course. If you saw, if you saw the Africa elephant, you were shocked.
Yes.
Like this house.
Wow.
10 tons. Yeah, 10,000 kilograms.
No me pises.
Riding,
Yeah.
but now no.
No. The elephant is not this trip animal. No.
Now in Thailand, didn't
No,
do this.
no, yes, no. We can do it.
The police is
No, it's a forest. It's
More.
we are not
More,
going to use
more.
that anymore. Just like before I told you, because the elephant, the number is less now. If they have a pressure, they can tackle it very well. Just like you have a job every day. When you can find
Oh, y esta parte es más suave. Esta parte es muy suave. Y esos pelitos son muy lindos.
Yes,
Muy lindas.
yeah.
Oye.
no, for me. For me also. ¿No? Mejor le te
Oye.
You're going to pick it up. You're going to pick it up.
Estás muy sola hoy día. Que te fueron todas tus amigas directas.
Oye, bueno, no.
What is it that he has between the legs? Or is it just the skin between the legs?
Yeah.
No, between like from the bottom.
Oh, bless.
Ah, it's a breast? Oh, really?
Yeah, see bless.
She's got big feet.
Another breast.
You got mouthful, ain't you?
She know which one is fresh or not. She just drop it. Did you see that? Yeah. This one is dry. She drop it up. The truncator, it's like a sonar. When they touch something, like they know it. It's a fresh or not. They know immediately. And they were going to try the fresh one first. After when no fresh, she go to pick it up each one.
Very smart.
Yeah, they are very intelligent animals and very kindness, and their memory also very, very good. Yeah, there is they make a protect for their protect for the sunshine, When the sunshine so so strong, their skin going to dry, and dry in that time is a good spread, but it's itchy, and some bird or insect go to bite them, Yeah, and the mosquito go to bite them.
She had a black hair.
Yeah, and all the hair we can cut it.
Can't cut it.
No, there is a sensor. When you cut it, they paying. They paying. If you go to cut something, someone or two, they paying, like a sensor.
Like a cat's whiskers.
Yes. So she's happy.
Yes, because
The elephant age is, looking for the ear. You see that the ear and a lot of the white points. You can see that.
she's a
Yeah, it's the white point is a more. They're more. It's more, more. Yeah. No. That's the point right here. Yeah, that is the age. Just look at here. You can say that is age close to 40 to 40 plus like that. Is that when they have all is a white in that time, it's very old, 50, 60 like that. Yeah, the ear.
No, what the age of
She now it's 40 plus, almost.
mean?
And the elephant is, in the jungle, they can hear more than long distance, at least 3 kilometers away. They can hear something. Anything. Far away 3 kilometers, they can hear everything. So in the jungle, they are always, just scared about the safety because they can hear more than 3 kilometers away. When close to 1 kilometer, they will use the trunk to smell something is bad or good or the human, the hunter, or maybe some elephant is dangerous to them. They move. When you get to the location, they always move. So, that is they are just how to say their life in the jungle is they can make food very well. Always they just they just how to say for safety. They just worry about the safety of their family. Just think about it, 3 kilometers away, they heard something, and after 1 kilometer away, they just smell it. In that time they have to move.
Is that humans that done that to him?
Yes. Anything. They just think about something dangerous to them. They move it. They know. They are very intelligent. They know.
Do they move the ears in a sign of something like when she's doing this?
Is she happy now? Yes. In Africa, when they shake the ear very fast, it's used for what? You know that?
Danger.
No. Cool down.
Cool down. Oh yeah.
Cool down their body. Their ear have a
Like big
air conditioning system. When they shake it, the wind is sick into the ear, and they will send the blood, the cold blood, into the body. They cool down their body. There's an air conditioning system. But in Asia, they don't want, because in Asia is the jungle is everywhere we have a leaf and the water. Everywhere is the water.
Thank you, fine. Thank you.
Everywhere is the water. You want? Oh, thank you.
I'm not going to.
What about you?
we're together.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Do you see the teeth? How look like? The teeth. How look like? Do you see that?
Yeah.
The teeth is like that, up and down is like that,
Flat.
Yeah. When the food, they use the trunk, put in the middle, and they use the tongue, put in the here, and they crush like that. Crush like that. Not like us. There's up and down, yeah. They crash like that.
Okay. Not
No, up and down. They crash, yeah.
go to the.
Yeah. Front and back, And after crash, they use the trunk, swallow.
I didn't understand what was the relationship between the elephants and the temperature of the jungle. How they regulate.
The temperature,
Yes.
their body.
No, of the jungle. You said now that you have less elephants, the jungle is more hot.
No, not really. Their temperature is like our human, 35, 37.
No, I'm saying about the jungle.
Oh, in the jungle.
Yeah.
Because of the forest. You understand what I say? they take care of the jungle very well. They know all the system. They take care of the jungle. When the jungle have a lot of the tree, that forest, and the temperature is it's not going to so high. But now we are so late. We don't know before. After we go to desert, investigate about the elephant. After.
Did they cut the tree down?
Yeah. Because the people always cut down and burn now.
For the wood?
Yes, all the wood.
Or the rainforest?
Yeah, the rainforest, yes. In Asia, before here, before I told you that the highest temperature is 36, 37, that's like the highest. But now, last year, 49. In Bangkok, 52. And this year too, they suppose maybe 49 to 52. Because all the forests, do you see that? All the smoke. All is bad.
And that smoke is because of the.
Yeah, the fire, yeah.
But that's intentional.
Intentional, yeah. Because of the farmer, they have to burn it. But not lucky, All right.
Oh, come on.
She needs a sugar cane over there. Hey, come on, sugar cane. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Un poquito más.
Monty can you look. What you can you. And their eyes is, their eyes, they can see us. They just saw, they just saw us like a shape, All the things they just,
Don't
feel
drop your
by
stuff.
the plant, and the smell, and the sounds.
So they just see shapes
Yeah, just a shape.
You don't want that yet, no?
No color. Just a
That's the
shape,
good stuff.
That's a shape.
Why it's
Why does it not want this?
No, so she if okay, you just
She'll
put
get it
there.
later, yeah?
Just put right there. After she goes to put it up. She wants to drink the water now.
Okay.
Monji,
Monji.
moche.
Like Mowgli.
Yeah, moche. Yeah, she wants to drink the water.
Moshe.
Now she wants to drink the water.
Yo había entendido que de alguna manera, ¿entendiste lo que yo entendí?
Sí.
Pero no era eso. Como que más elefantes es mejor para la selva porque de alguna forma.
Claro, como porque.
Pero no era eso.
Solamente porque antes habían.
Ahora, sí, pues ahora está más caliente, pero no porque hay menos elefantes, porque hay menos árboles.
How they smell.
Hay menos bosques. O sea, los que regulan realmente la temperatura de las plantas.
Oh, yeah.
Too hot.
He's so smart.
Smart, you see that? It's too hot. Yeah, it's too hot.
Totalmente acostumbrada, ella sabe dónde tomar agua.
She take a shower.
Yeah. Wow. Are they staying here? Yes. No, all the elephants, from the jungle, and some elephants, the farmer, the farm that, the private farm, they can feed a lot of food, because the food is very expensive. Just think about it, one day for 500 kilograms. It's expensive.
So that they don't take care
Yeah,
of the
they
well.
can take the well. The government, and they can take it out.
You gonna spray me?
They can use now.
Spray me.
All the elephants, the farming farm, all the elephants now is a food.
It's alright to spray her. Don't like it. Chapter 2.
Hey, come on.
Look at the sun on it.
Go too far before it
That's the grass.
Can you start like
Only banana.
What's this? She eats it.
Yeah, she's full.
This is toilet paper.
Yes. Toilet paper, yeah. Didn't have a smell. Take a video right here, you know, there is a naturally, you can make a muddy spot like, you know, in the summer.
וואו, ממש, כזה מעניין. מאוד מאוד יפה.
Healthy, you make a mud. You see that? Healthy. Just take a look healthy. You go to right down, you know, the mud, you know. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, you see that? Oh. Protect from the sunshine. Oh, okay. Lagi ba? Okay. Moji. You know what is that?
The tap. You kill.
Oh yeah.
What is they called? Do you know?
Eat me plant, innit? Eat me.
The tribe.
Like from the film. Feed me now.
No, don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, don't touch me. You see it?
It's no carnivore, like they fly, eat flies.
Yeah.
Moji. Moji.
Okay. Okay. Muje. Muje mana mah? Bye. Muje. Okay. Muje. Moji. Mana mah?
Wow.
Muje. Ba.
It's like a little kid.
Yeah. See, they make a map themselves.
למה היא עושה את זה?
כי חם לה.
איזה חמודה.
And here, you know, in here, in the farm right here, you know, you just go to eat all the leaves. You see that there's the new leaf is come out. You wanna go to put it out all right? You just eat for the leaf. So after when they go around, come back here, the leaf is come out again. So they know the system, they take care of the system. And also they have a banana farm over there, they know that is their food. You're not going inside and destroy the banana tree. No. You know that this farm is for them. And also over there we also have a sugar cane farm too. So they know they're waiting for the banana. So they are very smart. Yes, they're very smart.
Last time the sugar cane here.
Yeah.
Steve.
Yes.
Sorry.
הבנת פה?
לא הקשבתי.
היא אוכלת מכל העציצים פה וזה, אבל מהעץ הזה היא לא אוכלת.
זה בננה?
אוקיי. יש בננה, היא לא אוכלת. אני יודעת שכאילו היא הגיעה בננה.
אשכרה. וואי, איזה יפה זה עץ בננה.
איזה יפה זה בננה.
נכון, איך רואים עץ בננה?
Stand like that. I will take a picture for you.
This camera, it's a camera. Take picture of it.